Good morning all. Happy Suryoday. Welcome to our Suryoday program. Today we are going to start our day with a spiritual prayer by Hatim Vada. Thank you Hatim. Followed by a technical speech on business concepts on Zomato and Swiggy, which is going to be given by our student Jay Bhalodia. Thank you Jay. And at last, pencil sketch drawing has been done by our student Ria Kanabas. Thank you all our BCA students.
ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे, तू है जहाँ। ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे तेरे सिंहासन के पास। ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे। मैं तेरे पास आता हूँ पवित्र दिल से, आराधना मैं करता हूँ प्रेमी मन से। मैं तेरे पास आता हूँ पवित्र दिल से, आराधना मैं करता हूँ प्रेमी मन से। तुझे ढूंढता हुआ, तुझे चाहता हुआ, मुझे खींच ले मैं दौड़ूंगा। तुझे ढूंढता हुआ, तुझे चाहता हुआ, मुझे खींच ले मैं दौड़ूंगा। ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे, तू है जहाँ। ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे तेरे सिंहासन के पास। ले चल मुझे। तेरे पवित्र स्थान में तू मुझे ले चल। तुझे देखना मैं चाहता हूँ हर घड़ी हर पल। तेरे पवित्र स्थान में तू मुझे ले चल। तुझे देखना मैं चाहता हूँ हर घड़ी हर पल। तुझे ढूंढता हुआ, तुझे चाहता हुआ, मुझे खींच ले मैं दौड़ूंगा। तुझे ढूंढता हुआ, तुझे चाहता हुआ, मुझे खींच ले मैं दौड़ूंगा। ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे तू है जहाँ, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे तेरे सिंहासन के पास, ले चल मुझे, ले चल मुझे.
Good morning everyone, my name is Jai Patel. I'm in BCA 5A. Today I'm going to discuss a business idea of Zomato and Swiggy. So today's discussion classified into three phases. First phase is how investors are investing money in Zomato, about discounts, market value. Then second phase, I'm going to discuss about 30 to 40% discount without wasting money or without burning money of investors. In third phase, I am going to discover or discuss with you the other two businesses of Zomato and Swiggy and expense related to topics in third phases. So let's start with the first phase. In first phase, I am going to discuss investors' money. So nowadays, the many legend or many big investors are investing in Zomato and Swiggy. But nowadays, till today, not nowadays, till today, Zomato are in losses. But you will not know the market valuation of Zomato. Zomato 25,000 crores market valuation and Swiggy also. So how they can get the market valuation of 25,000 crores till they are in losses? So that part discussion I'm going to discuss in second phases. But now I can discuss about first phases. The remaining part is discount. They are giving 30 to 40% discounts by ordering food. So people will think that now that can give 30 to 40% discount, and after some periods or sometimes they can remove coupons, they can remove discounts, and they can give food on actual price, and that they can think that people will order. No, that is not the actual idea about Zomato and Swiggy. So what is the main idea? So let's we move to the main idea of the Zomato and as well as Swiggy. So now the second phase, Zomato give 30 to 40% discounts or by ordering foods. So how they can get the 30 to 40% discount without wasting money, without burning money of investors? So let's we move to the 30 to 40% discounts. Let's classify. So first 15% discounts. So you will know that the actual price of biryani. Let's have the example of biryani. So restaurant will have the biryani price 100 rupees. Okay, and Zomato will keep 120 rupees. That is overpricing. So from that, Zomato get the 10% benefit, or I'm not saying about benefits. So 15% discounts are removed from the 30 to 40% discount. So remaining discounts. So people will think that how can get the remaining discounts. So remaining discounts, you can ask any owner of the restaurant about expenses. What about expenses? The difference between people will go to the restaurant and have a food, or people will order food at home. What are the difference in two other things? Then every owner of the restaurant will have idea that much. If people will come to the restaurant, the expense is high, expense is increasing. What about expenses? The first expenses is one waiter is busy to the table is occupied, then electricity bills and other expenses related to the restaurants. Okay, so a restaurant owner will give 50 to 10 to 15% discounts as it is if people will ordering food and have a food at his home. Okay, So Zomato will get the commission, or we can say the discount. Anyway, Zomato will have the commission of 10 to 15%. So the 30% is covered. People will think the Zomato will give 40% discount, then how it possible? The 10% losses is faced by Zomato? No, Zomato will not face any of the expense related to discounts. So now going to give the other two business, phase 3, other two business idea of Zomato and Swiggy. The first business idea is food supply. The second is advertisement, and third is business consultancy services. So till now we can discuss about the first idea, ordering food, business supply, food supply. Okay. Then second, what is advertisement? If Zomato will give 40 to 50% discounts, and if any restaurant are depending on Zomato, if let's have the example of my restaurant. If I have the restaurant and my regular 30 to 40% discounts are from Zomato, or 30 to 40% discounts, 30 to 40% selling, and 30 to 40% discounts are from Zomato, then I will pay to Zomato. For what purpose I will pay? If anyone search biryani in Zomato, then my restaurant should display on top. If you search a biryani, then my restaurant name should display on top. For that purpose, I am going to give, suppose, 50,000. That 50,000 Zomato will use to me get more discounts in food. So I am giving 15% discounts, as I'll have the less expense while ordering food, and let's have food at his home people. So I give another 10 to 15% discounts. So let's Zomato will apply a coupons of 40 to 45% discounts. Okay, this is the main, or this is the maximum discounts that we discussed. Then I'm going to discuss third phase. What is the third phase or third business idea? The third business idea is business consultancy services. Then you will think that how can Zomato and Swiggy helps to start a business? Zomato and Swiggy have the more idea about the food, that have idea, and as well as data in which area, which food, and how much price is running. Let's example of Rajkot in Maudi. Let's example of Maudi. Then it will Zomato have idea about which food is running in Maudi, so they can charge a big amount of money to give the business idea of Okay, thank you.